We're beside you know someone to make it. It's $1 million, baby. Hello, everybody. Welcome to the channel. Oh my days, guys. Look what I got. I got something really exciting. You can already tell by the title, so I'm just gonna skip to it. I got a wave mic. Yay! I'm very excited because this is actually a really, I think, very not needed but wanted setup upgrade. Because I use the Elgato Wave 3 mic, and it's a very good mic, but this is how I use it. Like, it literally just sits on my desk. It sits on my desk like this, and when I'm streaming, like, you can hear the... When I'm streaming, you can hear the noise of the fans from my laptop, like, going in the background, and then I have to, like, get close to the mic like this, like, be all up, like, have my mouth in the mic so that you can, like, get some good quality sound. I've been struggling! Well, I haven't really been struggling. I'm actually very grateful that it even comes with a stand. But we're leveling up, and today is the time to level up. Which is why I have this! I'm so excited! So I'm going to unbox it and then set it up, and then I shall do a little microphone test so you guys can hear the difference, and so I can hear the difference as well. And then hopefully this will be a good starting point for some higher quality content for you guys. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. Yeah, so my desk is actually too thick to hold the mount. So what I had to do is take out this drawer, and I'm gonna attach it to this bit here. So that is one thing to be very wary of when you buy if you're gonna buy the mic mount anyway, is just be aware of, like, this is as far as it can go. I think it's like, how much is it? 6 inches, I think. That's probably the max that it can extend to. So make sure you measure your desk. Right, so this is the main mount. This is the mount. This is something, right? Maybe I should read the manual. Okay, so the desk clamp is clamped. It's tight, but it's not too tight. So this piece of the arm has to go in this hole right here, like so. Very easy. It actually came with an Allen key or an Allen wrench, whatever you want to call it, and you can use that to tighten this section here. It said not to over tighten, so I don't know which way is which. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Yeah, buddy. Okay, I'm liking it. So I can, like, rotate it like this or like this. It goes all the way around like this. I like this. Actually, this is very nice. Oh my gosh. Okay, right, cool. I'm not done though. I can also tighten, I think I can tighten this. Yeah, I can tighten this bit here if I wanted to. If I want to, like, keep the mount in a specific place. You guys can see this part at the top is where you would put the mic. Or if you have a shock absorber, you can put that here. Is that called a shock absorber? I think it is. You can put it on the end as well before you put your mic on, but you do not need a shock absorber to attach the mic to the mic mount, and I was very grateful when I learned that, because I was like, I don't want to buy one. It looks too bulky and I don't want it. There's a screw here at the back, so if I unscrew it, then it will you'll be able to adjust it however you want, which is good. Wait, I think you can also rotate it this way as well. Yeah, you can. So I can go this way and this way. Okay, nice. There's also screws here if your mic or whatever you're attaching to the mic mount is a different size, like if the screw head is a different size, then you can use the screws that it comes with to adjust the size. I don't think I actually need to adjust it though, but we'll see. So I'm just going to take off this stand. Okay, so this one is like a normal quarter inch screw. So I'm assuming it should just go directly on. On my days it does. Guys, this is so cool. Oh my god! No, this is so cool. And I got the low profile I got the low profile mic arm. There's a high profile one and it goes like this, beep beep. But this one is low because of my setup, but you can get whichever one you want. And this section here is actually, if I can open it, it's magnetic and it hides the cable. It hides your mic cable. Let me actually remember which one is which. I can put the wire through here. This. Just dance, just dance. Bam, 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 bam. Just dance. You can send your friends and their friends your location. Right. So we've changed locations. Speaking of location, because I've set up the mount and I like the look of it. I'm not showing you guys yet. It's off to the side, you can't see it, but this is what my mic normally sounds like when I'm streaming or making videos. My mic is just on the stand that it comes with and it's just on the desk, so this is what it sounds like. And then I'm going to show you what it sounds like with the mic mount. I'm excited. This looks so professional, bro. Okay. And this is what it sounds like with the mic mounted on the Elgato Wave Mic Arm LP. I'm speaking in low tones because I'm aware that my mouth is very close to the mic, and if I shout, it's going to be a problem because I'm already seeing on OBS that the audio levels are in yellow. They're almost in red. So, and I'm not even shouting. I'm actually really excited to listen back to how this sounds because I have a feeling it's going to sound really nice. This is so sick. Oh my gosh, I love it. Catch me on my streams. You guys can't see the actual mount because of the way my camera is placed, but look, you can actually, the arm goes up. It goes 360 degrees. But if I wanted to stream and stand up, I could do that. Even though this arm is low profile, like it still goes really high. I don't think it takes away from what you want to do, even if you get the high profile or the low profile. I watched a video comparing the two, and just because of the way my setup is, the low profile works for me, but that could be different for you. But you can see that even with the low profile, like you're not really limited to height in that respect because I'm standing up. Like, this is great. Oh my gosh, I love this. Yay! That's essentially the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I definitely did. It was very, very easy to set up. Please check the dimensions of your desk before you buy this. And Elgato, if you're watching, can you please like make an extension for the desk clamp? because some of us don't have thin desks. Thanks. But with that being said, this is going to be my whole personality now. I can feel it. Oh my goodness. But with that being said, I hope you all enjoyed the video. I hope you have a wonderful morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you're watching from in the world. And I'll see you all in my next YouTube video.